quick video about the Lovers Gear Matchmaster data book. This is considered essential equipment for anyone serious about controlling their data and admin at a match or at work. Bigger than A5, clear plastic sleeve in the front for drop data or match information. Open it up. You've got a zippered pencil case style pouch on the left hand side, 3 pen loops here, a Velcro pile section that'll accommodate 3 of the data boards for either the Scope Dope or the Armageddon Gear wrist coach. On the right hand side there's a clipboard area for the actual matchbook itself. Information regarding the clipboards will be on the website. These are available in black and ATAX IX. It's the easiest way of keeping everything under control in one place. This is absolutely something that, you know, if you're looking to take your organisation to the next level, the Matchmaster will definitely help you out. Available at loversgear.com. Thanks.